Ready? Come on.
Resolution against Pyongyang, saying a widening of the nuclear club is absolutely unacceptable.
Come on. Come on, I'll push you then. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on, you've been walking all over the place. That's it. Let's go. That's it, let's go. Let's go.
Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 41 points at 8,708. NASDAQ
That's it.
Index up 9 points at 1,835, and the S&P 500
Keep walking.
is up 5 points. This is NPR.
And this is WNYC.
Oh, you're just standing, are you? Just hanging out?
Good morning.
Come on.
I'm Isaac Davey Aronson.
That's it. Alright, let's go. Oh, you're dancing.
Victory Roman Catholic
Oh.
Church in Brooklyn for the funeral of Omar Edwards, the NYPD officer killed last week in what
Come on.
officials describe as a
Come on,
fatal
baby.
fire incident involving another officer.
Come on.
Uniformed NYPD officer stood at attention the length of Throop Avenue as the hearse continued with his body passed by.
Oh.